Here's a view from the back side. These are the spacers we put in. They are the same color as the transmission brackets. They seem a little oversized for this. I'm not sure if they're the right spacers. Don't know what they look like. Here is the motor mount, or the transmission mount in the rear. You can see probably about an inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch off on the passenger side. This side seated. Looks like it might have a little uneven on it. Now the issue is if we sit the transmission on the motor mounts, the drive shaft will angle towards the passenger rear. And you can see it in the center bearing just ever so slightly right now. Because it's still a little off center even though it's sitting like this. So if we were to torque these down, it changes the angle of the drive shaft. Unsure if I have this installed correctly. Here's another side note. Here's the header running into the floorboard, which is pretty dramatic. Lower view of the motor mounts we have here. You can see they are seated. Both look flush. Maybe that one's just a little off-seated, but these are not torqued down. We've tried pushing the motor all the way forward, all the way backward, and shifting them on the motor mounts, and we've had no luck. Also, this is with the spline pushed all the way in. As you can see here, there's a good gap there. You can get it to attach by pulling the splines out. That's fine with me. I just wasn't sure if that's how that's supposed to be.